You're joining me as I weed out the vinyl for P&B Commercials before we head over to Westhoughton to install their van signage. First order of the day is wiping the vehicles down. The customer had cleaned them the night before, so a bit of surface prep. The Citroen and the Combo van, both the same shape vehicle. So start by positioning the graphics on each side and then just transposing the measurements to the next vehicle. Customer made us a brew, it was welcome, it was absolutely freezing in their workshop today. Always important to make sure I cut the vinyl between the door joins. Nothing more embarrassing than when you forget and open the door and tear it all off. And then the satisfying task, removing the application tape. With it being a little bit cold in the workshop, just taking my time to make sure none of the letters tear or any of the smaller text comes away. And then we're on to the Dispatch. Again, just positioning up the graphics using magnets, and then start applying. A lot of vehicles these days seem to have plastic bonnets, which of course means the magnets don't work. So we resort to using masking tape, just takes a little bit longer positioning it and getting it in the correct spot. So enter the side again and take the application tape off. I've just left that on for a little bit. With it being cold, just let the adhesive bond a little bit more. Then round to the back, again positioning with the magnets and applying, and then finish off on the side. So that's the Dispatch, the Combo and the Berlingo all done.
Superb job again, thank you very much. When we need more vehicles doing, you're the first people to call.